Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing men's wear acupuncture chapel. We are unboxing it and we can see the review of this product. It is of very nice premium quality and these needles will give you acupuncture on your feet. So it will be very useful for your health too. It is of size 9. Now I show how I wear and let's see how it looks like. So just I am going to wear it now. See. Wow, it is of very nice and it fits so quiet. When walking or with it, it feels very nice and this extension makes acupuncture for me on my feet. If you would like to purchase this product, just click on the purchase link available in the video itself and buy it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.